is here to see her celebrate her birthday, to wrap it with friends and close. But first and foremost, Natalie is an amazing person. And on birthday, I like to wish her simple human happiness. I wish her harmony that comes when all the components of life are balanced. When daily work brings to light and in the evening, you hurry that be with your family. I wish Natalie inner comfort that you know something as a family. Instead of the comfort, there are all friends who care about you. When you feel good, they will always come to your place with very gifts to express your problem, with heart to laugh, with your fearless and fearless. I wish you a year full of pleasure, trials social, give one strength to make great achievements and reach one goal. May Natalie put her dreams come true as we stand out and raise our glasses for her birthday and happy.